Hello. I just want to start off by saying I love the S&B intake. And I'm kind of upset that I didn't do it sooner because I was reading on the forums and stuff about how, the stock box is good for, 500 plus wheel horsepower and whatnot. And I mean, I kind of suggest if you've got tunes or anything going on, like if you're getting extra fueling and stuff, I'd say an intake is probably worth it because at the very least it keeps your black smoke and stuff down. It gives you your proper, air that you need to burn your fuel. And aside, other than that, after I installed it though, like the sound difference from it, when I got on it for the first time, I was like, holy crap. So I mean, I was pleased, but I was kind of scared me or kind of frightened me a little bit. I was just like, holy crap. But yeah, I don't know. I just wanted to give a little insight on that. I know, like with tuning, like if you got a race tune, like it'll provide 20-ish horsepower at the wheels and like high 50s, low 60s for the torque numbers. And I mean, it's a noticeable little difference when you install it as well. Little quicker spool up, and I mean, just the sound. It sounds so much better. I love the sound of it. And for like 350 bucks, I mean, it's a really well built piece of equipment, or whatever. I like the enclosed box. Keeps the engine bay heat out of there. Filter seems nice. Yeah, I'm very pleased with the unit. So that was my 2 cents. I've got a clip of myself going down a town, going to a client's place, and I am going down the same stretch of road, and I had recorded myself earlier in the summer after I did my exhaust and stuff to hear the turbo whistle, and I figured after I did the intake I might as well just do the same thing and kind of just roll down. Sorry, in the second video my truck's a little bit messy. I was off helping a guy, one of my friends, with his food truck. He didn't pass electrical inspections, and he had a lot of stuff that he needed to do to get up to code. So I was out helping him, and I was out for like the weekend doing different things for his truck while I was out there, and I'm just kind of just throwing stuff down in the passenger floor and whatnot. And yeah, so thank you for watching. And yeah, it starts off with the initial one, and then there's a or with the stock intake with the PPE mod, then it's the S&B intake, and then I did a little couple of same spot sounds so that you could do a little better back and forth of what it sounds like between the two. And yeah, enjoy. Thank you.